we are making my childhood favorite, and it's perfect, it is beautiful, it is delicious, and growing up, it was a dish prepared not just for special occasions, but sometimes as an everyday meal. Mas masarap siya days after. Humok na baboy or tender pork or humot na baboy, aromatic or fragrant pork. O, diba? Gusto natin medyo malagkit, diba? Estofado naman, hindi naman estofado kasi paksiw yan. Balance of sweet and salty. And before you cook this recipe, if you haven't done yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Tatung, where we do a lot of simple recipes which all of you love. Chef Tatung on YouTube. So different people have different names for it, different versions, so it's very difficult to pinpoint which one is the original. We just want to eat delicious food that can be cooked in a simple way. Just on time. Uwi na, pack up. Gusto ko na kumain.